Cooking utensils. I use a spatula. I chop with knife. I stir with spoon. I peel with peeler. I whisk with whisk. I measure with cup. I mix with blender. I cut with scissors. I grate with grater. I roll with pin. I flip with spatula. I mash with masher. I sauté with pan. I boil with pot. I bake with oven. I fry with wok. I steam with steamer. I season with shaker. I peel with corer. I zest with zester. I squeeze with juicer. I strain with colander. I grind with grinder. I cut with grater. I flip with tongs. I peel with knife. I squeeze with press. I scoop with ladle. I baste with brush. I serve with plate. Please subscribe to my channel.